Welcome back. Let's start moving. Swing the arms, get the lower body moving. This is our 10-minute daily functional fitness session where we bring yoga, Qigong, Tai Chi, traditional exercises all together so that we can move through our day with strength, incredible mobility, and ease. Oh, let's connect our breath to every movement. Move with incredible awe today. I think I'm going to have many visitors. As you can see all around me already, I'm in this beautiful spot on this beautiful day, living this beautiful life. There we go. The mindset matters. Endorphins flowing already. Oh, take that. And let's start to swing the arms back. Open up the chest. Sink a little lower. And just move with curiosity. I once sounded like an alligator was coming out to get me. Hello, friends. This incredible place in the middle of Helsinki on this island, where, as you can see, the ducks, the birds, are not very afraid. Open it up. Welcome, little friends. Oh, breathe. Oh. Okay. A little side to side. Get nice and loose. Bring that knee up as high as you can. While we go through this move, if I may, just seeing those ducks in a bit of anger reminds me, I watched a beautiful movie last night, and a terminally ill man goes into a meeting, and they come out and his coworker's like, how could you not have got angry and impatient with those people? And his response was, I don't have time to be angry. Made me think. But yet the rest of us do. Something to think about. Do we really have time to be angry? Oh, connect to your breath. Maybe get that leg up a little bit higher. Stretch to the side a little bit deeper. Head up high. Deep breaths. You're building mobility in the hips, balance, core stability, incredible mobility in the upper back and the shoulders, all with this one move. Bring your presence into it. Be here now. What could matter more than that? All right. Just shake it out. Look up high, stretch the neck up, shake the arms all the way to the fingertips. Point your toes out, bit of a wider stance. We're gonna come into a little mini sumo squat. Rise up and look up. Sit down, come on up, tilt the chin to the sky. Go as low as you can, always modify. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. When you come up next time, sink down, come on up, look up, tilt the pelvis forward. Get a bit of a back bend as well. Come down, look to the sky, pelvis forward, back bend. Just move at your pace. Oh, yes. Connect the breath. 3 more. Let's sink a little bit deeper. We're building amazing strength. Let's not forget about that. Strong legs. Sharp mind. Oh, hello. Oh. Okay, I'm going to be very mindful about where I step right now. Let's build Off you go, little fellas, I'm sorry. A little bit of balance and core stability. Just swing the leg back and forth. Swing your arms as well. With a bent knee. If you have a chair nearby, you need some support, go for it. But if you bring all your presence and you pick a spot on the horizon, I bet you can hold the balance here, even though I just stumbled. Sometimes it really is do as I say, not as I do. Whoa. Whoa. If you stumble, it's okay. Let's go to the other side. Hey, hey. Oh, head up high. Just move. Couple more. Now try other leg again. Back up, back up, back up. But straight leg this time. We should get a nice stretch in the hamstring, just a bit of a different dynamic. And then reach that leg back, forward, back. Do your best. There's nowhere to get. Enjoy this movement. This movement. Catch yourself if you stumble. Have a chuckle if you do. Other side. Swing the arms as well. Whoa. I've found some uneven terrain, which is just another dynamic, which is great. Straight leg. There we go, Drew. Straight leg for 3, 2, 1. Oh, come on, that feels pretty good. Okay. A playful skip and twist. Just, and really, twist as far back as you can. Breathe, just be. Stretch a little deeper each time. Get a little further back. Got this. But the little skip to the side. Be playful, childlike movements. Intentional with your hands. What does one really conscious breath do for us? Oh, one more here. Okay. We were doing the sumo, so similar stance, feet pointed, wider stance. Let's sink down. Circle the arms up. Come on down. Can you graze your fingertips against the floor or the ground? Look to the sky. Just take this movement, find a flow. Real deep breath in and exhale. Deep breath in and exhale. Breathe in and exhale. A few more, come on. Get a little bit lower. Reach the arms a little higher. Last one. Come on up. Hold it there. Look up to the sky. Okay. One more exercise. for this session, I know you're going to go through your day moving often, taking the stairs, doing a few sit to stand squats whenever you see a park bench. Okay, let's bring the knee up. Now, bend forward, come down, bend forward. Just a little mini crunch, but real intentional. Hip mobility, core stability here. Breathe into the move. We do have a lot of friends today. We're doing something right, huh? Feel it in the back, lower back. We're creating mobility there. Incredible core strength. Intentional movements. Head up high now. Look. Swing those arms. Real purpose in your moves. Last two. Oh. Not bad, not bad. Let's just take a moment to be. I know that I'm going to come back to that line, hopefully forever. I don't have time to be angry. I think a little light movement, connection to the breath, can move us in that direction. Accept the reality of situations. No point crying over spilled milk. We've been hearing these things for an entire lifetime. There must be some truth to it. Oh, just be. Connect to that breath. There's a Patanjali quote. I'll try to get it right here. When you are steadfast in your abstention in the harm of others, all living beings will cease to feel enmity in your presence. I think I got it. It's from the Yoga Sutras many years ago. I think it might be working. Go have the greatest day. Let me know how this went for you. I am so grateful for you for showing up every day. My goal truly is to help you live to 110 healthy. Let's keep showing up every day and set that as our goal and intention. And who knows? I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.